Guys. Manya information for Frobi. Now a breaking news, fresh one, and I made a bremono. Now, main person make kasa bebre on this very end, but information I'm inside canon. One of the guys that were inside of Chuku the Jude, if you hold and the information when you are brem into person I want you guys to listen to me carefully, and from other time going on, I'll bring more information as to what is going on. Bakakra mensan kano and I made the bremono inti yasopa netie what exactly is going on, okay? And the revelation I'll give to you guys on this video, it will blow your mind, it will change your mindset straight up. Okay, hold on tight, let's go and listen to where I got my information from, who Chukwude has been talking to, who Chukwude is calling, who Chukwude has been messaging, who Chukwude and which radio station is trying to work with. Ebusia, come with me again, come with me again. Breaking news. Count on us for anything that you want to hear about the self-acclaimed leader of the Igbos in Ghana. Ebusia, very, very interesting. Just a day after Dr. Hassan Ayariga gave self-acclaimed Igbo king days, 3 weeks to pack out of Ghana. No, Ebusia, niyama na papa we no washa asiese oye no medini na ebe peti horses ya na Ebusia enye easy. Now who say man no day, who say bear ni ho abi dey Ghana they make rough say you no go do this, no go do that. Ebusia, now before I will tell you the story, okay, unconfirmed, allegedly, but from his home inside the hall angasa boys kasa. So I will tell you guys what I am hearing, and with me on this platform Top Gossip, if I hear something, trust me, I go gossip on one time for your mic. Ekanka, if you have to do with what is going on with these Igbos and what they are doing. Ebusia, ene me hu video bi na video na me hu ye no. Ebusia, the video is very, very, very bad. I don't know. I can only talk about the video with my mouth, but I can't show you because it's horrible. Totally horrible. Ebusia, you can't watch it. But if you want to watch it, if you really want to watch it, please, you can DM me on my WhatsApp line, okay? DM me on my WhatsApp line, and I'm going to share the video with you. When you see it, that will tell you. So these people that we are dealing with, they are not people we have to deal with now, because if we don't wake up, fight, tomorrow our children will suffer. Ampa, because look, Charlie, if you see the video, we am special. But if you want to watch, please DM me in the comment section. Let me know. Tell me, King Top Gossip, I want to watch the video you talk about the Igbos trying to do what they were doing, slaughtering people and all that. No, I want to watch. I will send it to you. Okay. DM me, I will do that. Now, let me tell you exactly what is going on. Just after Dr. Hassan Ayariga give the Igbo leader until 17th of October to pack away from Ghana. Ebusia, kosa papa na ye. Now, let me give you the names of the people allegedly he's been trying to reach. The first person I'll try to be rich, Okujetu Ablakwa. And you know, say Okujetu Ablakwa and John Dramani Mahama traveled to the US, right? So allegedly, he tried to reach out to Samuel Okujetu Ablakwa to ask him, okay, what is going on? I think you guys say you have my back. Then he couldn't reach out properly because Okujetu Ablakwa was out of reach. Then the next person he tried to reach out to, hey, your ambassador, hey, ambassador, did you hear what is going on? And ambassador said, okay, I'm also going to reach out. Ambassador tried to reach out Okujetu is out of coverage. You understand? That is what is going on. Afensu, he tried to reach out to some of the big gurus in the NDC and at the same time in the MPP. He tried to do that. And some of the names, me Boswa Uyembesho. I'm telling you, said the NDC and the MPP, they are the downfall of what is going. They know exactly what is going on. Okay, so he tried to contact some of the gurus in the MPP and in the NDC. Hey, Mimbo didn't even chill. Allegedly, he tried to call one of the young MPs in parliament. Mukainidin. Aha. I don't want to mention the name. Oh. Charlie, information where we get for here, no? A dozen. He tried to contact one of the MPs, allegedly by name Sami Ewuku. Aha. Ebusia, he would hear there. He tried to contact him, but no ankoye because Emi said he's not that friendly with Sami Ewuku. So he tried to contact those people at the head office, the MPP head office, Angasa, those leadership. The chairman, the secretary, and all that. He tried to contact some people also in the NDC, Benonso, and so like I'm saying, no, Ebusian, he has already decided, say he'll be contacting some people in the MPP and the NDC head office. And then also, or contact anyeyi. But allegedly, the NDC top hierarchies, some of them are in conversation with this guy. Some of them are in conversation with God, but they should remember, said Dr. Ayariga said, for him, he doesn't really care. He's quoting the laws of the land, the constitution, the Chieftaincy Act, and no quoting. So he doesn't care whether this guy is contacting A or B. But allegedly, no, he has already tried his best to contact the chairman general. Allegedly, unconfirmed. But people close to him, can say he has already tried to contact those people and see what they can do for him. Ebusian, it is very, very serious. When we talk about these things, we have to man up and talk about it the way we have to, because very, very important, say we have to do what we have to do to take this man out of Ghana, because why be who say free Ghana it's becoming the order of the day. It is very, very important. Now, he has also tried his best, according to sources, no, was sending messages being there, but high-ranking messages. So I don't know how to put that one. But allegedly, no, what try say obeseni your president message say so you people say you protect me now. This Hassan Ayariga guy is trying to tear me apart, and my family is scared. My kids are worried. My wife is worried. We cannot sleep. You cannot sleep, right? You think say you can't Ghana, you want to show your crutchy powers. Now, the next one I want to talk to you about, Nebusia, it will blow your mind. Okay? Now, the last time, no, I told you guys, because of that, no, he has decided to be transferring some of his business. He is planning to do that. But there's something he wants to hide. And he's hiding, he's going to hide that thing behind the wife. Asasena semna ye kano, ebusia, asasena manyane ntiye se, wato, ordine yiridi ene to ye, ewo central region. And tisesiano, another strategy ni say if Accra is becoming hostile there, and you own use ni wife din, enkosi dying, ewo central region. That is what we are picking up. We are picking that intel also. So, ni 17th October na ye man no. Sisi amana kumetu. Sisi Accra die. On that on to me na papa. Min kanda dao. Ni amana kumatu ya ebusia yenyati yene say. Dr. Hassan Ayariga SRC say behind his akonyano tesono adie bi ewasiye. There's something there. He was shocked. Ebutia or share video no. According to sources no. Nyama na papa ni kikaye no. Or see how did this Ayariga guy got to know that I have this, I have that, and I'm hiding this, and then I have a room somewhere. So he was wondering. Okay, he was also wondering about all those things. And Tiebusia, a lot of things are going on. But this man, no, Sisiano, ehun akano, min kanda da, ehun kesie and akano. Because what shake him the most, government just stopping him. And no shaking the foundation. Now you've seen me on social media. Say on in kwala, nini wife, nini man, or machu photo ni adie. All those things now, according to sources, from one of the media guys. No, so let me say, I be guru no. According to him, no, and no nana it's just to make sure the kids will be comfortable. The kids that are not comfortable as I speak with you. And the wife a birthday no di any nkwala no ni omo institute photo ni ade odi aba social media ni nyina no is just using that one to hype himself up. Send e be den niama be ye ni ade no fi say Ghana for be din. Another information means aka ni PRO no aka kire ni say relax. This is just one of the things. It will come and pass. Relax. This is one of the things. It will come and pass. They have tried to use the PRO also to reach out to Dr. Hassan Ayariga several times. Okay? And also Nkosiaga. Papa no mo use no ewa Santi region no. Jataba Dr. whatever they call him no. Onunsu ye use no several times to break through. But anya anye juma. You understand what I mean? So as I speak with you, this Igbo guy is weighing his options. Now let me break this news to you. Okay? Let me break another news to you. Allegedly, this guy on immigration document he's only standing on the feet until he has the right to stay in Ghana. Tell me. According to information, unconfirmed information reaching me, this guy, the Igbo leader, he's not having documents properly for himself. He's using the wife as a yardstick to blow his horns. And he's trying also to get those documents back. And also, immigration penny no near cause and also adding. And Tiama, why basa? Why basa to the extent say, because one. What tries to be rich all the big men in Ghana. When we say none of them are able to give him good assurance, strong assurance. And this is why hot. To me, and he's trying to get his document done. Allegedly, stay here with me. We have all the information out there. Stay here with me. We'll tell you what is going on in Chuku de Jude house. You bet me I can't share on because information okay. Just said there are some of the issues we don't want to put them in the public domain yet, but I can tell you with confidence say Niama Elkosu se oni fie ho kra no ene ameni ukasa kra ne Elkosu oni fie no is here. We know everything. Okay, he is trying to bribe a lot of journalists. Okay, the Igbo king is trying to bribe a lot of journalists. Okay, so let me mention name by name. Number one, Black Rasta. He's trying to bribe Black Rasta. Wakope no kofio edi akoma Black Rasta. Inti Black Rasta ebe kasama no. Joy FM. Wakope no kofio edi abrom. Joy FM will start talking about him and they'll start discussing about him. Okay? Another radio station. Wa bribe omono. Memo ana ebusia. Memo sa radio station. Hey, Memo. Onia, any Captain General, Captain Smart, wa bribe no. Mudia muntie, munya aboche. From now until the end of that 17 days, no, Captain Kojo Smart will start talking about this issue, and you guys will know. Or start DM me and let me know. Say me na me catch it. Or say Captain Smart will start talking about this issue because Captain Smart abeye one of him. And Onia was starting, but Adiba Kwana Ebon Onia say there was one guy be Onia TV, and that guy has been smoking him off. And I think say it's becoming difficult for him to penetrate, but he want to use the Captain Smart bed to penetrate through. So you there watch what is going to happen before the 17th. Captain Kojo Smart will start talking. Ebusia, remember to stay with us on this platform, Top Gossip 24 with your humble servant, and get yourself glue. Your subscriptions are very important to us. Your comments are more important to us. Share the video. Let somebody also know what is going on here. That's it.